Congratulations on getting yourself a Phoenix Eye Hybrid. Now you want to learn how to get the most out of it. And that's what we're going to start doing in this video. Once the power level's reading 0, the chair is a manual chair at this point. As I roll the dial forwards, I'll get different levels of power. I'm on power level 9 right now. Beyond power level 9, I've got 5 turbo power levels. Turbo power is when I want to go on a high friction surface like grass, gravel, thick carpet, that sort of stuff. Roll the dial backwards, all the way back to 0, and then beyond 0, I've got braking levels. And if I want to suddenly stop, say I'm going along the road quite fast, I want to quickly bring the chair to a stop, rather than having to roll the dial backwards, I can just press it and that will apply rapid braking. But to start off, I'm going to set the chair to power level number 3. It's quite a good low power level. I'll use power level 3 indoors most of the time. So when I give the chair a push, the chair's recognised that it's moving and the power assist is kicked in. I don't need to do anything else. I don't need to stop and start it with the dial. I can do that with my hands, just by holding the hand rims. When I stop the chair, the power system recognises the chair's been stopped and the power assist is deactivated. You can see whichever way I activate the chair, whether it's forwards or backwards, the power assist doesn't care. It will do what I want it to do. The rules are from me. They're my rules. They're not the chair's rules. I operate the way I want to work. This is a chair that's working for you. You're not working within its limitations. I'm always anticipating what power I'm going to need. So even on a lowered curb like this, I'll turn up the power before I get to it so I can easily cruise up the slope. As soon as I push off, the power assist is going to kick in straight away on full power. But because of all the friction, I'm not going to be going really fast. Now, if I was to start it on Turbo 5 on the concrete floor, you'd very quickly have the front wheels spinning about if they tried to get grip. It's like a car, you want to accelerate up to your power. So Turbo 5, let's do it. Give the chair a push. There we go, power assist is kicked in. I'm still pushing with it, but it's just really, really easy to do. As I come onto the concrete, I'll drop the power back down again. Now I'm at coasting speed. It's important not to be afraid of using the power that's available to you. Electric power is what gets you past everything. So on a dirt track like this, where there's lots of stone chips and obstacles and it's on a slope, I'm going to turn the power assist up to Turbo 2. As I push off, it'll kick in and the electric front wheels are overcoming all the bad surface. It won't be long before using the Phoenix Eye becomes completely intuitive. You wonder how you ever managed without it. And using it, well, it becomes completely natural. And you'll see the benefits in everything that you do every day.